Yeah, I did it. And this one didn't break off. Yeah, let's just not mess around with this one. It is not perfect by any means. I mean, as you can tell right here, there's a bit of a crack. So it probably would have broken off as well if I hadn't taken this safety precaution. So what I basically did here is that I have drilled 2 holes over most of the length that were the same size as these dowels, filled it up with glue, put the dowels inside, and then basically let it dry. The colors came out very nice. This is a finish with polyurethane. It's essentially the same stuff that I used to finish my staircase stairs. So this is very, very nice. A bit of a crack here. That was from the pallet itself. I don't know if you recall, there was one piece that was cracked. So that is it. This is, it's a bit of a problem because this is a very old glue up, and I did not plane those boards when I glued them up. I don't know if you recall, about 2 years ago I had a turning mishap where pallet planks were flying around. That was basically the unbroken part of that glue up. So at the very least I should have filled this up with epoxy, resin, maybe more glue. But nonetheless, it's quite nice. I have not removed a foot. We'll see how I want to do that. I can always just stick it back in the lathe and maybe just use the jaws on the inside. That could be fine. Although it's a little bit I mean, this is not an optical illusion. It's a little bit uneven. This side is thinner than this side, but nonetheless, I'm very happy with it. So, good stuff.